welcome back to the channel. We're going to do another episode of Thursday Thrifts. Today we're going to hit up like 3 or 4 different thrift stores down in South Carolina. We're going to knock the dust off the shelves and find those treasures. So come along with us, guys, and let's see what we can find. Right, first stop of the day. Green tags. Of course, first thing I always like to do is check out the book section, looking for those Stephen King books. I just glance. I mean, you never know. Always like to lot them together. Not really seeing anything over here. Same old, same old. Bag section. Not really seeing anything. Here, the hard goods, all their wares are like $4 a piece unless they're individually marked. Not really seeing anything. No clue. Glassware, don't really like to venture into that market too much, just because, well, I've been known to break a few things. So, all right, let's go to the shoe section. Margaritaville. That's a nice looking shoe. I don't know if they sell though. Let's check them out. Why not? We'll put them in the buggy. I mean, it can't hurt to check it out. Another pair of Merrells. Okay, so I'll go through the shoe section and then I'll take and pull some comps. If I like them, I'll keep them. If I don't, well, we'll put them back on the shelf. All right, I just pulled comps on the shoes. The ones I wanted, I've kept in the buggy. The other ones I put back on the shelf. I think I can do all right. All right, guys, didn't find a whole lot in there, but hey, I did pick up this pair of Merrells right here. These leather mock driving shoes. I'm thinking, I think I can get 25, 30 bucks out of that pair of shoes. And then I also picked up this pair of clogs, Merrell clogs, mules, slide-ons. I don't know what you want to call them, but hey, They're Merrills. I also think I can get $25, $30 out of those. So I mean, $13 into 50 bucks. I'll take it. It's not the home run I'm looking for, but we'll head out to the next thrift store and maybe it'll be there. Op number 2. Will this be the one? Fingers crossed. Yeah. Not really seeing anything. Guys, didn't really find a whole lot in there, but I did pick up this Naruto baseball jersey. I originally picked it up for my son. I mean, I don't know that he wants it, but if he doesn't, well, I'll sell it. I think I can get 20 bucks out of it. And then I picked up this vintage Dale Earnhardt Jr. long sleeve shirt. It's a 2XL. I mean, I'm thinking maybe $20 on that as well. So $9.50 into 40 bucks. That's if the son doesn't want this shirt. But either way, it doesn't matter. Let's head to the next thrift store. All right, I think I'll switch it up today and go the opposite way. I got this buggy that's got a wobble wheel or something. Can't find toys to sell. Not looking like it. All right, Goodwill number 3 in the books, and well, I picked up this pair of Brooks Brothers corduroy pants here. That's all I found. And I mean, that ain't no big thing, but I mean, you know, $4.75. I think I can get 25, 30 maybe. All right, we're going to the next one. Maybe, just maybe, we'll find something. You never know. Right, number 4. Well, I didn't come out empty-handed. I got a snowman and his friends here. It's a Hallmark. You know, runs on batteries. I'm not sure exactly what it does. I picked up a snowman playing a piano last week, I believe it was, and so it would light up and play music. I wonder if this one does the same. But yeah, if it works, $4 into 30, 35, not bad. Well, I was gonna call it quits, but I need to go get a box. I sold a DeWalt radio, and well, I need a box for it. So I'm gonna go to Walmart that's nearby. There's also a Goodwill right down the street, so I'm gonna check it out. I was there already one time this week. So, who knows? Today might be the day. Goodwill number 5. Will this one be the one? Is this where I'm gonna find the treasures? Stay tuned. All right, we're done for today. Didn't find but a few items, but let's check them out. Right here we have a pair of Wrangler Rock 47 bootcut jeans. These are ladies. Wish they were men, they would sell better, but the ladies jeans, I mean, I think I can get 23, I don't know, 23, paid $5.75, I believe. And then I found this Jeffrey Bean laptop messenger bag, pretty doggone good shape, $5.99. I believe I can get 30 bucks out of it. So, you know, I also found a North Face backpack, which would have been awesome find. It would have been an awesome find, but well, it was just too dirty. I mean, ink stains and discoloration and melted chocolate bar, and I'm like, I just don't want to put that energy into cleaning that thing up. It would have been a $50, $60 backpack, but oh well. We're done for the day. We're done for the week. So, well, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, share it out to your friends. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. I know you probably already have, right? And of course, Until next time, well, we'll be seeing you.